Homemade slime, people. Boom. So now I'm just going to knead it. I don't know how to. Ooh, it's still sticking to my hand. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. So there's some styrofoam balls on the table. So I'm going to clean it up with my slime. Okay. So I'm gonna try and roll it up into a ball and make it not stick to my hands. Oh, my back hurts. Okay, so we're getting there. Okay, now I just need to clean up this mess with my slime. Okay, so I love it. I love this slime. Just, I mean, it feels so good. Okay, so let me get some more styrofoam balls out of here. Okay, so I think I will start right there. So that's where I'm stopping at. And by the way, I got all of this from the Dollar Tree. They sell this. Gosh, this is good. I never ever felt styrofoam slime in my life. Now I know how it feels. It feels so. Want to touch it, Mom? It feels so slimy. Now my mom's recording me, so I'm just going to pick up all the styrofoam balls as much as I can. Okay, I got most of it. No, and some of it are still okay. So some of it is still in the container. Can you turn on the light, Mom? Okay. My mom's trying to turn on the light. Okay. So now I think I did a good job on cleaning. So this time I'm just going to keep my styrofoam slime in here. This is like the most. Okay, so now we're gonna do a poking test. Okay. If you don't know what the poking test is, it goes like this. Ooh, like this. Ooh. I love this slime, just so incredible. I don't know if we can put the laundry detergent back in the bottle, but I'll try. Oh my gosh, it just feels so good. So I'm going to end it right here, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. I hope you enjoyed this slime video, and see you later. Bye.